Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this mosaic card. Your friends would like to receive this pretty mosaic for their birthday. It's fun and easy to make with just a few basic crafts items and a little creativity.
Subscribe and click the bell icon to get new updates.
Take two rectangular pieces and divide each sheet into three equal parts. I have mentioned the size as well. Its base is ready. Now let's go on another step. These are those equal pieces on which we will paste our big picture. Paste it very carefully to make a perfect square, because we will assemble the small pieces of the big picture. It's ready, have a look. Now paste the pictures all wallpapers as you like. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to share and give your feedback in the comment section.